Assalamualaikum and good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you all in your very good health. You're enjoying your day, enjoying the lectures, even enjoying the weather a little, though it's not really enjoyable. It's so humid, and even then, it looks good from the window. So we are going to start the lecture, and right now we are in a literacy class. And as you know that in a literacy class we are learning about alphabets and playing about uh, learning about them, doing activities. So the last of the alphabets have less vocabulary. So we have planned to do some activities with you. So we will just recall them and do some activities. So we will help retain all the concepts and the vocabulary, though the tracing is very easy. So we are not practicing tracing over here. We're only doing the activities just to make the concept clear and help uh, you retain that, so you remember that for a longer time, right? So first of all, we did yesterday, we did U, alphabet U, right? So today we're going to do the different one, the other one, the next one. So you are going to take out your the book, Alphabet Fun Book N to Z. Yes, all of you take out your alphabet fun book N to Z, and you are going to take out page number 60. Yes, you're going to take up page number 60. Yes, we have done the vocabulary for this. We did, yes. Remember? Yeah, yes. What you can see over here, vase, we did that before. Van, vase, right? Vegetables, we did that before. And the tracing of V is also very easy. So that is not a difficult part. And you know how to trace, you know how to follow the line, the dotted line, and you know how to go with the arrows and all, right? Yeah, I know you do that. So we are not going to practice the tracing part. We are only doing the activities over here. Okay, so here the activity is that there are all the V's. The shape of V is also the same, the capital V and the small v. But the important thing is the sound of that. That is w, right? What ways, what one, what violin, right? So what is the sound of V, right? W is the sound of V. So you have to keep that in mind, and we are going to do this activity. Now there's a girl, a small girl, Vanessa, right? Now Vanessa starts with V, right? So Vanessa has to put flowers in this ways, right? So she is only looking for an alphabet. And which alphabet Vanessa is looking for? Yes, she is looking for we. She is looking for we. That's great. So we are going to help Vanessa to connect all the we's, right? Okay. So for that, you need to have your pencils in your hands, your lead pencils, right? Not your color pencils, your lead pencils. So there is one she is connected to, rather there are two she is connected to. Okay, now you have to look for all the V's over here, right? Now she has started from here, V and V, and now you are going to look for all the V's she has to collect, right? Now all of you hold your pencils in your hand, yes, and then start looking for the V's. Let's see how many can we find, right? I'm also doing that. And at the end, we are going to see how many are here, okay? Yay, let's see, wow. Yes, yes, yes. This is a little tricky, and this will take you to the ways, right? Connecting all the V's will take you to the ways where Vanessa has to put that flower, right? Okay, now all of you, yeah, it's a little wavy, but it's really nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yay, there are 17 V's you need to connect, and you need to help Vanessa to reach here, right? You're going to get out from here. And that's interesting. It is interesting. You have to connect all the V's. See, like this, I have done over here. Here, she has started over here. We, like this. Yes, see? Now, wow, this is interesting, right? This, and out. Yay. Now, can you do that? It's not difficult. It's not at all difficult. It is a little tricky. So you just have to connect all the V's to come out of this maze. Are you enjoying? Okay, that's great. That's lovely. Right. Okay. Okay, fantastic. You've done it? Okay, that's great. That's lovely. Yeah, it's so interesting. I enjoy doing it. Okay, so that's great. Okay, now there is another activity which you'll be doing for your homework, right? So here they have given the jumbled alphabets over here, and they say that you're going to color all the T's you're going to color red, you're going to color pink, and all the V you're going to color it green. Yes, so you'll be needing the red color pencil, the pink color pencil, and the green color pencil. And from here you're going to look for the T, U, and V's, and you're going to color them. But this you're going to do later on, right? Yeah, that's great. This is for your homework. Okay, another activity we will be doing from this book, N to Z alphabet, the capital alphabet N to Z. Yes, and here we will be needing to we'll need to take out page number 66. Yes, page number 66 we need. Yeah, what you can see on page number 66. Yeah, a school van, and this says I go to school in a van, right? So this is a school van. Okay, so here we are also going to do we with the vocabulary of we, and they says that color the pictures that starts with the letter we, right? Now there are like a couple of pictures, you know already which is the picture that starts with the alphabet V. Okay, so there are 5 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are 5 pictures that starts like not all of them, but there are 5 pictures, and some of them starts with we. What about this? What is this? Can you see it clearly? Yeah, it's a goat. Actually, goat does not start with V. What is this? Yeah, obviously that's a van. That's a violin. It's a doll, and this is a vase. Yes, vase. Okay, so that's very easy. You are only going to color 3 pictures that starts with the alphabet we. Yes, you are only going to color the pictures that starts with the alphabet we. That is the van and the violin and the vase. Sorry, van, the violin, and the vase, right? That's great. That's nice, right? So you're going to color that. Color nicely. There's no need to hurry. You can complete this task right now, or maybe if there is some of it left, you can complete it later on as your homework. right? So this was our literacy class today, in which we have learned about a little more. We have done practice about alphabet we, w, right? W, we, w. Okay, so I'm going to see you in the next class, inshallah, soon. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. So I'm going to say goodbye. See you soon, inshallah. Till then, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.